I'm Giovanna Ryan. I am the Head of Singing and the BTEC Musical Theatre Pathway Leader here at ArtsEd. The BTEC Musical Theatre course provides exceptional vocational training in singing, acting and dance, and is designed to prepare students for progression to degree courses or straight into the industry. Previous students have gone on to study at Mountview, ArtsEd, GSA, Trinity Laban, NYU, Lambda, Central, and also directly into work. The training is rigorous, varied, often demanding, and we expect a lot from our students in all three disciplines. We pride ourselves on celebrating each student's individuality and in allowing them to reach their full potential. Musical theatre students follow a programme of study that includes singing technique, solo performance, jazz, tap, ballet, acting skills, devising skills, as well as rehearsals for performance projects that span the entire genre and numerous practitioners. Work is assessed in a variety of ways that's relevant to the world that the students are entering, including audition-style scenarios, collaborative workshops, research-based projects, and, of course, performances. The course includes a wide variety of performance opportunities, including a full-scale musical in the second year and a studio-based performance in the first year. Musical theatre students are always an integral part of our annual music concert, and many of them participate in the summer dance show. Entry to the course is via audition, the details of which can be found in the prospectus and online. We expect successful students to show exceptional ability in 2 out of the 3 disciplines, with evidence of potential in the third. We look forward to welcoming you all in on our audition days.